Welcome to part 3 in this affiliate marketing series. If you want to make money from home by promoting digital products people are already buying, and you want to do it through Digistore24, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to use the Digistore24 marketplace, what metrics matter, real examples of profitable offers you can promote, and a system to consistently make commissions without paid ads. Let's dive in and find your next golden affiliate product. Digistore24 is a global affiliate platform that's exploded in popularity. It's trusted in over 180 countries and features digital courses, software, coaching programs, and tools, many of them in the make money online, self-improvement, and business niches. Why it's great: payouts are reliable and fast. Recurring commissions on many products, easier to get approved compared to other networks, tons of beginner-friendly offers. And the best part, most offers come with ready-to-use promo tools like emails, banners, and video scripts. To get started, go to www.digistore24.com. Click Register Now in the top right corner. Choose Affiliate or Vendor and Affiliate. Fill in your basic info and confirm via email. Once inside, click Marketplace at the top. Let's break it down. The left side shows all product categories. For make money online and work from home niches, click Internet Marketing and e-business. You'll now see dozens of offers sorted by popularity. Each product has these key stats: commission percentage, how much you earn per sale, earnings at conversion EPC, average payout per click, cancellation rate, refund rate, lower is better, cart conversion percentage of people who visit the offer and buy, rebill recurring income potential. Pro tip: look for earnings per conversion over $40, conversion rate over 10%, recurring commissions if possible, and a refund rate under 10%. Let's break down a few top-tier affiliate offers that are working great in 2025. These products are not only popular but also offer substantial commissions and have proven to convert well. Product 1: Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. Niche: make money with YouTube automation, commission 50%. This product is perfect for those looking to generate income through YouTube without showing their face. Average earnings per conversion, $65 or more. Why it's great: teaches how to make faceless YouTube channels. This is a game changer for those who are camera shy but still want to leverage the power of YouTube. Beginner friendly with results from real users. The course has numerous testimonials from people who have successfully built their channels. High demand due to the passive income trend. As more people look for ways to earn passive income, this product continues to gain traction. It's ideal for promoting on YouTube, Reddit, or automation-themed TikToks. These platforms are perfect for reaching the target audience. Product 2: the 60-minute reseller. Niche: affiliate systems and business in a box. This product is designed for those who want a quick start in affiliate marketing. Commission: up to 70%. This high commission rate makes it very attractive for affiliates. Average earnings per conversion, $45 to $60. Why it's great: pre-built funnel, autoresponder, and sales page. Instant delivery, very beginner-friendly. High converting offer page. This makes it easy for anyone to get started quickly. Promote via lead magnets or free ebook opt-ins. These methods are effective in capturing leads and driving conversions. Product 3: Crypto Quantum Leap. Niche: cryptocurrency and investing, commission 50%. This product is perfect for those interested in the booming crypto market. Average earnings per conversion, $50 or more. Why it's great: teaches crypto investing for beginners. This course simplifies complex concepts, making it accessible to everyone. Evergreen topic in personal finance. Cryptocurrency remains a hot topic, ensuring ongoing interest, low refund rate, and solid testimonials. This product has a strong reputation and satisfied customers. Target crypto-curious audiences or side hustle Facebook groups. These communities are always looking for new opportunities. Product 4, Digistore24 breakout code 2.0, if still available. Niche, make money online. This product is designed to help people break into the online money-making space. Commission, 50 to 60%. This generous commission structure is appealing to affiliates. Earnings per conversion $40 or more. Why? It's great automated affiliate funnel system built for new affiliates. This system simplifies the process for beginners. Ready-to-go emails and squeeze pages included. These tools help streamline the marketing process. Great for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and solo ad promotions. These platforms are excellent for reaching a wide audience quickly. Watch out for high cancellation rates. That's definitely a red flag. Also, be cautious with offers that have low EPC but make high promises. Outdated sales pages can lead to low trust and low conversions. And products with no affiliate resources are usually not worth your time. Instead, Google or YouTube product name review to get a sense of its reputation. Look for screenshots or user testimonials to verify its effectiveness. Always check if the vendor provides email swipes and bonuses. These can be really helpful for your campaigns. Found a good product? Click the Promote Now button. Your unique affiliate link will be generated instantly. No approval needed in most cases. Use a tool like TLI to shorten links. Linktree or Beacons.ai for mobile-friendly bio links. Or your own domain, plus redirect for branding, for example, freedomtools.co/go/YouTube income. Here's how to promote without a website or ad budget. YouTube automation. This method is perfect for those who want to leverage the power of video content without showing their face. Make faceless videos like top 5 ways to make $100 a day online. These types of videos are engaging and can attract a lot of viewers. Include your Digistore24 link in the description. TikTok or Instagram Reels are also great platforms to share your content. Post short videos, sharing tips, results, or interesting facts. These short videos can go viral quickly and reach a large audience. Use viral audio and hashtags. This will help your content get discovered by more people. Add your affiliate link in your bio. Reddit, Quora, or Medium are excellent platforms to share your knowledge. Answer questions like, how do I make money online as a beginner? Providing helpful answers can build your credibility. Provide real value and link to a free ebook that leads to your affiliate product. Facebook groups, value first. Always focus on helping others. Join work from home or side hustle groups. These groups are full of people looking for opportunities. Share helpful content or case studies. This will position you as an expert in your field. Recommend the product as a solution. People are more likely to trust recommendations from someone they see as knowledgeable. Want long-term affiliate income? Send people to a landing page first, then redirect them to your affiliate link. Use free tools like System.io, ConvertKit, MailerLite. This way you collect emails and can promote multiple offers later on. There you go. Now you know how to find real affiliate gold on Digistore24. To recap, sign up for an account if you haven't already. Pick a niche relevant product with strong conversion stats. Promote using free methods like social media and content marketing. Optional, build a mailing list and scale your income by sending targeted email campaigns. Want my curated list of top 5 Digistore24 products for beginners plus the free landing page templates I use? Check the description and grab your copy of the Digistore Profit Starter Kit. It's packed with resources to get you started. Up next, we're going deep into building simple affiliate funnels that convert. even if you've never made a funnel before. Stay tuned, hit like, subscribe, and let's build your online income stream together. Your support means a lot. Also, please leave a comment so I can create videos to answer your questions or satisfy your desires to grow. Your feedback is invaluable.